Question 18. Simplify completely 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 on the top over 4x cubed plus 2x squared. So we're going to have to factorise the top and the bottom so that we can cancel some things out. Okay, so I've got 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 all over 4x cubed plus 2x squared. Okay, now let's do the top first. Let's factorise the top first. So that's a quadratic, so I'm going to have two brackets. I'm going to have 2x here and an x here. It's got to times together to get minus 5 and add together to get minus 9. Okay, so two numbers that times together to get minus 5 is 5 and 1. And we've got to try and get this to work. So the 5 over here and the 1 over here. And that's not going to work, is it? Yeah, because 2 times that is going to give me 2x, that's going to be 5x, so that's going to be wrong. So should we try the other way? So how about if we put the 5 over here and the 1 over here? So when I multiply this out, that's going to give us 10x and 1x, and we can get that to minus 9, we can, yeah, okay. So I'm quite happy with the 1 being over here and the 5 over here. So to get the negative, they're going to be different signs. So we want minus 10 and positive 1 here. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I've done that right. I'll just check it by multiplying it out. So this times this is 2x squared. This 2x times minus 5 is minus 10x. Positive 1 times x is positive x. And 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Let me just clear that up. So that's going to be 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. So does that get me back to this here? Yes, it does. Okay, so I have factorised that correctly. Okay, so now for the bottom. So 4x cubed plus 2x squared. What can I take out of this and this? I can take out 2x squared. Open bracket. So 2x squared times what is going to equal 4x cubed. That's going to be 2x. Plus 2x squared times what equals 2x squared. That's going to be 1. So I factorised the top and the bottom. I hope you could see how I did that. Okay. Now this is saying this bracket here times by this bracket divided by 2x squared times this bracket here. Okay. So if you're timesing something and then dividing by something, so if you're timesing by something then dividing by the same thing, you can cancel those out. So you can see here 2x squared plus 1 and 2x squared plus 1 in brackets. Okay, so I'm going to cancel those two out. And that's going to leave me with x minus 5 over 2x squared. Okay, I hope that wasn't too confusing for you, but that's the final answer. And question 18 is worth 3 marks. And the first one is a method mark for factorising the numerator correctly, so that's this bit here. The second method mark is for fully factorising the denominator correctly, which is this bit here. And the third mark is for putting an answer of x minus 5 on the top over 2x squared. And that is question 18, and that's worth 3 marks.